Hi, welcome to my Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Wonder Woman. So get your marker and follow along with me. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the bottom of the jaw. So I'm just going to make the jaw sharp like this. Take it all the way around like that. And then I'm going to draw roughly around here. I'm going to draw the little nose and the eyes. I'm going to draw the other eye, and again we're going to draw the pupils as well. Here we go, and light reflections in the pupil as well. There we go. Let's color. And now for the eyelashes. Draw an eyelash there. On this side we'll do the same thing as well. 2 eyelashes, and we can make that black as well. Now for the eyebrows, I'm just going to make 2 lines up there. Color it in. Here we go, there's one, and there's the other one. And the mouth. I'm first going to draw a smile, and then I'm going to draw the top lip, and then the lower lip, and 2 creases there on the side of the mouth, and the 2 ears as well. Now I'm going to start with the hair. I'm going to start up here. I'm just going to draw the line down. I'm going to cover the ear, and I'm going to make it like this. On this side, cover the ear, and then you're on top. I'm going to draw the top of the head as well. And on this side, let's start with just here in front of the head. We're going to make a little star on top. There we go. Good. And now for the neck. Just going to draw 2 lines like this. And then she has sort of a breastplate on. And I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to connect the line. And then it's going to be like feathers. Sort of the shape of a feather. There we go. There's 4 of them, and then this side we're going to make 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to continue down, and I'm just going to connect it like that. Then there's something above the shoulder, some pad. I'm going to draw there. And now we're going to start. First I just want to draw a little bone there. And then from here I'm going to finish the hair. And I'm just going to draw nice curvy lines to make the hair. And maybe we can draw a line there and a line back. Perfect. The next thing I want to do, I'm going to start with the chest. So I'm just going to make a chest on each side. And we're going to make the waist. I'm just going to draw a V like this. And I'm going to draw another V below that as well, and I'm going to make it round, and I'm going to connect those 2 lines. Okay, and then I'm just going to make a little mark there, and I'm going to draw the leg. It's one leg, or one part of it. We're going to go back and we draw the calf, and I'll draw the calf there as well. On this side, I want to draw the leg as well, so I'm just going to draw it here. There we go. And I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to go back to the arms. So I'm just going to draw a sleeve. Draw the top of the arm, like that. And we're going to draw sort of a wrist guard. I don't know what she has there. And then the hand that's just behind the leg. On this side we're going to do the same, a short sleeve. We're going to draw the top of the arm. There we go. And again this wrist protector, or whatever this might be. And there's a wrist protector as well. Perfect. And I'm just going to draw a hand like this, and I'm just going to bring it around like that, because this hand is going to grab something, and there's some some fingertips as well. I'm gonna go back to the hair. So here between the arm and the wrist and the waist, I'm gonna make a line, make another line, because it's the hair that's gonna follow through. And we're gonna just complete the hair like this. Perfect, perfect. And then on top, maybe just make a few marks there, a few lines there. Next, the rope. Just gonna draw a line like that, and then I'm gonna draw a line and I'm gonna follow it all the way around. Gonna draw another line and I'm gonna follow it all the way around. And here at the back we're gonna draw a line. It's gonna disappear behind this one. And here we're gonna draw another line as well, and maybe a piece of rope sticking out at the bottom. And there's a rope. And now for outside of a leg. Here we go. I'm just gonna draw something like that. I'm going to draw another line inside, and within this side I'm going to draw a few stars. Here we go. Great. And now for boots. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that. And now you can follow me. So I'm going to actually start here. I'm going to draw a line down, bring it up, connect it there. On this side I'm going to do the same thing. Draw a line down, I'm going to bring it over the foot and take it back. I'm just going to draw those two things. And now I'm going to draw the foot. So I'll make it a sharp tip because it's a woman's shoe. And on this one side I'm going to do the same thing. A woman's shoe, a sharp tip. And then for the calf area, just going to do this. There we go. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. The front of the boot and the front of the boot. There we go. And then these sort of feathers. Wonder Woman has feathers there, and on this side, and the feathers will disappear behind the rope. And then a few stars, just a few stars. Great, and there's Wonder Woman. Now you can take the colors you like and color her in, and I'm sure she's going to look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment on what you want me to draw. See you soon.